Welcome to deep China, folks. This is deep northeastern China, to be specific. We're in an area that you won't see a whole lot of. And I just made a couple of new friends. This is kind of cool. Well, these chickens will soon be somebody's dinner, but at least you'll know that you're getting fresh poultry. Hey, ni hao. This is cool. This little market over here, just a simple little market. As you can see, they've got the corn hanging up there, just drying out. Well, I'm getting my fill of wildlife out here. Saw the goats. We got the chickens over here. We've got the happy ducks quacking up a storm. This is 整个的吗？
整个烤鸭。22一只。
哦，一只22，
一只
是吧？ 不错。 Taking a little trip through the villages out here way off the beaten path. We're out in the sticks, pretty much. Out here you won't really see much except old farmers. I think it's pretty interesting out here though. I like it. Corn growing, you got these old buildings. I'm sure some of them are inhabited, some probably aren't. I don't think anybody lives there. Except maybe a few wild animals. Black cat. And this is a tiny little village. Let's just say they probably don't get many foreign guests. Well, we got something growing up there. Looks like a big gourd of some sort. Not sure exactly what it is. It's pretty big though. Yeah. I'm way back here. When you talk about deep China, I'm in deep China with a capital D. Hey, ni hao. The road's getting a little rough, but it's kind of cool back here.
Hey guys, 你对汉语感兴趣吗? Do you know what I just said there? I just asked you if you were interested in Chinese in Chinese. Perhaps you are like one of so many who always said that they wanted to learn a foreign language. How many times have you heard or said that, but there was never any real follow-through? Well, there's no better time than today to get started. If you want to learn a foreign language, then I would highly suggest considering learning Chinese. There are Chinese speakers all over the globe, so your chances to put it to use will be readily available. I have partnered with the team at Excel Mandarin, and I encourage you to go check them out. They have a wide variety of courses, small class sizes, 24/7 support, and a comprehensive website full of resources that will help you in your Mandarin journey. Also, their teachers are native Chinese speakers, so you can be sure that you are learning authentic Chinese and will be able to speak with confidence. Contact them now and set up your free trial lesson. Completely free, no strings attached. You can contact them by phone or email, all links below. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot the most important part. Be sure to tell them that Mr. Chopsticks sent you. Okay, now back to the video.
I think these flowers are just blooming wild. It doesn't look like anybody's really specifically planted them. And wow, stunningly beautiful. Wow, that is so beautiful. Look at this one. That's pretty cool. That's a little bumpy, I'm sure, but it's not much I can do about it. It's just the price to pay to get way back here. Well, looks like we made it to the very end of this little village. A dog heard me, he's barking. You hear that, huh? Let's just hope he's chained up. Otherwise I could be in a sticky situation. But yeah, you can see out here they've got the corn growing. Looks like some lettuce. Pretty nice out here. Usually what you'll see is just the cities, you know, concrete jungle, people everywhere. Not here. I mean, you can look way back in there. That's just fields going on and on. Well, they've got some really pretty flowers out here. I'll give them that much. You can hear those dogs. I was just talking to an old farmer back there. But when he heard me start speaking to him in Chinese and just had a little conversation with him, just told him, you know, I'm kind of from a small town too, and I don't like to always be in the cities. I like to get off the main roads, get in the small towns. It's interesting back here, you know, hanging out in the city all the time. It's all the same. Concrete jungle, big buildings. Back here, you never know what you'll see, and I personally find it really interesting. It's so unbelievably quiet back here. It's really nice. You know, to me, in a lot of ways, this is kind of the real China. I mean, of course, the big cities are real China too. It's just one aspect. But back here, you can get a glimpse into the past. You can see the simple way of life, the way that more people lived decades ago. Skyscrapers are kind of like once you've seen one, you've kind of seen them all. And living in China, you see them all the damn time.
I want to give an extra special thanks to all of my YouTube members and Patreon supporters for their help in keeping this channel financially sustainable. A huge thank you to all supporters from the $1 tier on up through the higher tiers. I want to give an extra special acknowledgement to my PCO tier members. And lastly, a huge shout out to my top tier supporters, Lee, Martin S., David is Da Wei, and 有爱心的外国人. Oh, and just so you know, you guys rock.
What do you look for beyond the sea, grasshopper?